Watch this simple DIY street lighting system in action. Components required are 9 volts battery, 3 LED, 3 resistors, 3 switches, connecting wires. Take a 9 volts battery. Connect the positive terminal to the top common wire. Connect the negative terminal to the bottom common wire. For each branch, connect the short leg, cathode, of the LED to the resistor. First, I connected a resistor to each LED. The resistor helps limit the current and protects the LED from damage. I have prepared 3 identical LED resistor units, which will act as our 3 street lights. Before we continue with the remaining streetlights, don't forget to subscribe for more simple DIY science projects. As shown in the circuit diagram, parallel circuit with 3 independently controlled LED streetlights. Now, I'm connecting a switch to each resistor. The switch acts as a controller, allowing us to turn each LED street light on or off whenever needed. Repeat the same setup with the remaining LED. First, connect a wire from the positive terminal of the battery to the first LED. Then, connect another wire from the same positive line to the second LED. Similarly, connect the positive line to the third LED, creating a common positive connection for all 3 streetlights. Now, connect a wire from the battery's negative terminal to first switch. Extend the same wire to the second switch. Similarly, connect the common wire to the third switch. All 3 switches are now connected to the battery's negative terminal through a common wire. All 3 streetlights can now be controlled independently. Using a simple parallel connection, each street light can be controlled independently with its own switch.